Hey, we're back with the fifth video of this section, making use of text and font properties. In the previous video we learned the use of error bars to plot the dispersion of data. In this video we're going to explore more features of text manipulation in Matplotlib. We'll first list properties we want to vary on the font, and then iterate over the first and second set of variations. We'll then render text samples for these iterations and print the variation combination. You already learned how to annotate the plot by adding legends, but sometimes we want more with text. This video will explain and demonstrate more features of text manipulation in Matplotlib, giving a powerful toolkit for even advanced typesetting needs. So far, all is good, but we have a hard time visualizing all the variations in the fonts we can create. In this code, we'll first list all the possible properties we want to vary on the font. We then go on to iterate over the first set of variations, font family and size. Next, we iterate over the second set of variations, weight and style. And then we render text samples for both the iterations, and also print the variation combination as a text on the plot. Finally, we remove axes from the figure as they serve no purpose. Before we proceed further, let's now look at this table which gives basic text manipulations and their mapping in Matplotlib Object-Oriented API. The first one, i.e. text, adds text to the axes at the location specified by X and Y. The X label sets the label for the X-axis and also specifies the spacing between the label and the X-axis in accordance with LabelPad, whereas the Y label is intended for the Y-axis. The title manipulation sets the title and accepts text properties. The subtitle adds a centered title to the figure, whereas the last one, i.e. fig text, puts text anywhere on the figure. You can note down the Matplotlib API for all these manipulations. The base class for text storing and drawing inside windows or data coordinates is the matplotlib.text.text class. It supports the definition of the location of text objects as well as a range of properties that we can define or tune to how our strings are going to appear on a figure or a window. The font properties supported by the matplotlib.text.text instances are listed in this table with their values and also a brief description. You can note these too and use them as and when required. These are quite useful for styling your fonts. We can also specify the background box that will contain the text, which can be further specified in color, borders and transparency. The basic text color is read from RC params, i.e. text.color, if not specified on the current instance of course. Specified text can also be aligned according to visual needs. These are the following alignment properties. Horizontal alignment, or HA. This allows alignment of text horizontally to center, left and right. Vertical alignment, or VA. The allowed values for this are center, top, bottom and baseline. Multi-alignment. This allows alignment of text strings that span multi-lines. The allowed values are left, right and center. This code is really straightforward and we just iterate twice over tuples of properties printing their values. The only trick employed here is the positioning of text on the figure canvas, as that allows us to have a nice layout of text samples we can easily compare. Keep in mind that the default font Matplotlib will use is dependent on the operating system you're running, so the output may look slightly different. So, as you run this code, you get this output on your screen with different fonts and text. Amazing! In this video, we've used text and font manipulations in Matplotlib. In the next video, we'll understand the difference between PyPlot and Object-Oriented API.